All right, prep test 64, logic game number 4, question 21 asks us, which of the following must be true? We've got our rules and inferences over here. We've got our limited options right here. Again, if you don't know where those came from, you can either watch the setup video for this game or work them out on your own by hitting pause right now and then hitting play again when you're ready to begin. So, which of the following must be true? Answer choice A, O is higher than M. So let's see if we can find any location where M and O can be on the same shelf. Up here, it certainly can't be, or in other words, O must be higher than M because O can't go down on the bottom shelf. In this option, we could place M up here, but we know that F has to go with it, and that means that O has to be up on top here. So far, it looks like O always will be higher than M, and this is a pretty tempting answer choice. But let's check the remaining choices just to make sure. Does K always have to be higher than G? Well, let's see if we can make K lower than G. That was pretty easy. K is lower than G, so this does not have to be true. What about I higher than F? Well, right here, we've already built out a possibility where I is on the same level as F, so this does not have to be true. What about G higher than O? Well, again, we've already built out a possibility where G is on the same level as O. That does not have to be true. And lastly, what about F higher than L? Again, we've already built out a possibility where F is on the same level as L. It does not have to be true, and that reconfirms that A is in fact the correct answer.